Hello and welcome to our MEX Atlantic rundown video. Today is going to be a very short and quick video just explaining to you how to use the MEX Atlantic platform. First off, we have my profile. As you can see, all of our information is here. Uploaded documents. You can also change your phone number or your mobile number there. Here we have funds. This is where you can deposit, make your withdrawals or transfer funds, your banking information and your history, deposits, withdrawals and whatnot. When you are depositing, you can choose any of these methods, credit card, debit card. You can pay or deposit via crypto, bank transfer, Neteller, or Skrill, and multi-bank IO Pay. I usually use credit card or debit card as it's instant, but you guys are more than welcome to use whichever deposit method you prefer. Now, platforms, we have web trading and we have social trading. So I'm going to quickly click on the web trading. This is essentially going to open up charts where you can see live price movement on the foreign exchange. As copy traders, we don't really need to use this pretty much ever. Now, we're not going to click on social trading for the purpose of this video. This video is just for the MEX Atlantic platform itself. We're going to go to the dashboard, which we're already here. Now, this is going to show you your overall balance, equity, your margin and whatnot. Open trades and whatnot. Don't really need to use this too much. You can see all this information plus way more in depth, previous trades, current trades, wins, losses, profitability, all through the MetaTrader 5 app. Now, accounts, you can go to live account. This will just show you your trading account number, your balance, what platform you're using, which is usually MetaTrader 5 and whatnot. We don't use demo accounts, so I'm going to skip that part as well. Then you have reports. The reports just pretty much very self-explanatory. You can see all your trading report histories, your account summary, your account history, and all that kind of stuff. It'd be good to go in yourself and have a look at the MEX Atlantic platform, familiarize yourself with this, as this is an investment for you, so you should invest time back into it to learn all the ins and outs of the entire platform and how it works. And then again, research. You have trading ideas. Got some information, some news, all that kind of stuff. Again, not too important. We're copy trading. We don't really need to, look at all this kind of stuff. We choose to do copy trading to trust the professionals in the field and not have the day-to-day stresses of trading ourselves. But if you do want to familiarize yourself and educate yourself as well, you're more than welcome to do that. This is Forex. You can choose crypto as well, which we don't trade. And you can also choose commodities. So we have trading analysis. Again, we don't really need to use this, but just wanted to show you guys the whole platform, see how it works and whatnot. This pretty much gives you some indicators and stuff like that if you wanted to enter a position or exit a position. But again, we're not doing technical analysis. This is why we do copy trading, to mitigate all of this stuff having to be done. Again, education will just teach you some more stuff about trading, the platform, and how to trade, frequently asked questions and all that kind of good stuff. This is pretty much a course on the MEX Atlantic platform. Teaches you about the standard technical analysis, stuff that you need to know if you wanted to become your own trader. Then we have the economic calendar, which is very important, shows you very important days. You can choose low, medium or high. Importance. You can choose event type as holidays or economic events. That's pretty much it. But any important events that are happening in the world that could potentially affect us positively or negatively, we would be notifying you guys in our Telegram channel or group either way. Now, keep in mind, when you are depositing with MEX Atlantic, our clients have a 20% bonus deposit up to 40,000. So if you were to deposit 100,000 USD, let's just say, MEX Atlantic would be willing to give you $20,000 in bonus. Now, you cannot go and withdraw this bonus in the near future. It will take a while to be able to withdraw that into hardcore cash. But in saying that, due to the nature of compounding profits in this specific space, that 20% you get to trade with really helps you grow your account a lot faster and speeds up the whole process of money making. So we're going to have another video on how to get the 20% bonus, but keep that in mind whenever you do make a deposit. If you have made a deposit and you do want to make good use of the 20% bonus, you have to send them the email, which we already have a draft for, and they will credit your account for your current deposit or any historical deposits you've made within the last 48 hours, plus any deposit you make in the future. They will credit you that 20% bonus automatically, up to 40,000 US dollars in bonuses, meaning you can deposit up to 200,000 US dollars and you'll receive a maximum of 40,000 US dollars in bonuses. So, well, that pretty much sums up the MEX Atlantic platform as a whole. Just wanted to give you guys this quick run through of how the platform works and all the basic options you have on MEX Atlantic. If you wanted to go through the platform yourself and familiarize yourself, that would also be good. And yeah, any questions you guys have about the MEX Atlantic platform, please do not hesitate to ask us. We are always available 24/7 in our Telegram channel. So thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.